Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. Don't see your pain as weakness, turn it into strength. Tough times make people patient and strong. Pain gives opportunities to learn and increases resilience. Those who turn pain into power move forward in tough situations. Pain means you are trying, and trying means progress. Every challenge makes you stronger. Enduring pain builds confidence. Today's pain is tomorrow's power. Avoiding pain misses the chance to learn. So turn your pain into power and keep moving forward. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.